Welcome, folks. Today we dive into DataStage, the magic wand for data engineers. It helps us extract, transform, and load data. Think of it as your kitchen blender but for information. Whether you're dealing with mountains of data or just making sense of a few gigabytes, this tool is your best friend. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Imagine sending data like pen pals did letters, except these are structured files traveling through cyberspace. With DataStage, we can generate CSV, XML, and JSON files on demand, making data transfer a breeze. Gone are the days of manually sorting messy datasets. Parallel processing is like assembling a burger at a fast food joint, each worker handling one step at the same time. DataStage does the same with data, running tasks on multiple nodes to get results faster. More speed, less waiting. Who doesn't love that? Think of this like cutting a pizza into slices. Same delicious data, just divided for easier consumption. Transformer Stage allows us to break large files into smaller, manageable pieces, making life easier for downstream processes. All right, folks, let's talk about organizing file outputs like a pro. First, we need multiple output links, because one file is never enough. Then dynamic file paths, because manually configuring each one is a nightmare. Don't forget delimiter settings, otherwise your data will look like alphabet soup. And finally, metadata settings, because guessing file formats is not a recommended strategy. Ever wished you could predict the future? Well, job parameters come pretty close. With flexible file naming, your outputs are customized on the fly. Dynamic directory paths mean files land exactly where they should, no more hide and seek. Passing runtime values ensures smooth execution, and validating parameters keeps us safe from unwanted surprises. Big data? No problem. We start with buffer settings. Think of it as your data's comfy couch. Parallel execution speeds things up like a Formula One race. Partitioning spreads out the workload so no single process gets overloaded. And finally, monitoring metrics, because nobody likes discovering issues after the fact. Errors. We embrace them, but only if we can fix them fast. First, solid error checking keeps disasters at bay. Logging helps us trace issues, turning what went wrong into found it. Exception handling means our jobs don't crash at the first hurdle. And alerts ensure we spot trouble before it turns into a full-blown catastrophe. A performance tuning is like fine-tuning a race car. Job parameters. Tweak them for peak efficiency. Cut down unnecessary steps, because wasted processing is just sad. Caching speeds things up like a memory boost, and balanced workload distribution ensures no component feels overworked. File management is like keeping your desk organized. Nobody wants a messy workspace. Structuring files properly means faster access. Naming conventions help avoid the "what did I call this file again" dilemma. Archival strategies keep old data safe, and security ensures prying eyes stay far, far away. Let's wrap things up. Dynamic configurations make file generation easy and flexible. Optimizing performance means faster processing. Robust error handling keeps things running smoothly. And best practices ensure our files are managed like a dream. Now go forth and create perfectly structured, error-free files. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.